supposed to get bigger. You see?
Oh, we got this. Hey,
There we go. See, there's his little tail.
Woo!
Ow! She's getting wiggly.
You keep hitting me.
You're okay.
You're okay.
You're not usually this wiggly.
Yes.
What's going on?
Fascinating.
Okay.
Thank you.
There we go, guys. Can you see? Since the babies are so tiny when they're born, we don't know when mom is pregnant. And she's only pregnant for about 30 days. So usually the way we guess is when she starts cleaning out her pouch, making it ready for baby.
That's pretty
How long will the baby stay in there?
It depends on the species, but it can be up to 1.5 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the smaller the species, they'll have a shorter pouch life. This is the head right here. See, there's his mouth and his eye.
No, I didn't see.
Yeah, we're right here.
And there's his little foot down there.
Oh, it's paws.
You see it? See?
That's amazing. This is okay with it.
Did everybody get to see?
That's cool.
I know. She always looks on me when I do that. It's gross, huh?